Hello friends, welcome to SK Programming. In this video, we are going to learn about one most useful Excel tricks. First, I am going to present you the problem. Now the problem is what? I have certain bank account number, means large digit numbers. Once I copy that numbers, then paste in Excel. Once I paste it, that display in abnormal form, means leading 0 is missing, and also that display long number in a scientific format. For example, our actual number is like this, that display like this one, and our actual number is this, and this display like this. Also our first account number is starting with 0000, then remaining is 111. Now here Excel display from 111, that skip the 0 before the number. So we have to find the solution of that 0. Now step number 2, I give you the solution. Select all, then copy, then paste that data in Excel, then click here in control, then select use text import wizard, then click on next, then uncheck this space. Make sure all the tabs, semicolon, comma, space and other are all in unchecked. No one can check by you. Okay. Then press on next. Then select second one text and finish. Now our data is displayed in well form. Whatever our actual data is in notepad file with large number and leading 0, that data is displayed in also Excel. This is one of the best thing too, and one of the best trick to copy paste the data in Excel. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share with other friends. Thank you for watching my video.